Oh, hello. Everyone, can you hear me? I'm sitting before my desert. Please. Can you help me? I'm going to drive. This is my car. I'm getting too lost. Help me. Oh, what's that? Help me, Blaze Batman. I need your help. Please help me. Get in a bike. I need to get in bike. No, wait. Don't go. I never do this. My drive with bike. I give it to us, my lost. Oh, what's that? It's a minecart racer. Okay, let's get into a race car. We'll be going to the city. Okay, let's start your engine. Well, here we go again. Whoa, that was so very loud, this car. Okay, let's go from Las Vegas. Will we go home? Getting too dark, and because we'll need take a turn into a headlights is very fast, we need to dark turn on the light. It can see this car and take a pressed button, and let's see as it works to turn on of headlights. Ooh, it worked the headlights, and because turn on like AD, and because in everything going to Las Vegas, and also because headlights. So let's go ahead. Maybe so very fast, because very interesting fast, you know, maybe it looks like 11 miles an hour. Okay, what is that? What is that listening? Is my radio? Oh my gosh, what the freak was that? Oh my gosh, it looks like a scary wolf something. Oh my gosh, we need to get into a fast, we need to acceleration. Oh my gosh, we'll go for it because I'm so very scared right now. I'm so very scary right now. Okay, let's keep slowly, keeping from the car. We were going to Las Vegas, Nevada. Okay, be careful. The wilder wolves. Oh my, what the freak was that? Oh my gosh. We were blocked again. What? It's that Aggie being Kitty Nguyen. Then we were trapped. What you want, wilder wolves?
Now we got ya, Krystal Fox. And then we'll bite you in the blood. I will kill you, Krystal Fox.
No, don't kill me, Kitty. Please leave me alone. Oh gosh, she's trying to following with me. Give up, Krystal. Please press it by lever, pull gas and go. She's trying to jump scare for me. She's attacked my car. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh, I'm so very scared right now. She's trying to attack for me. Hey, what is that? Is these a vehicles? He's watching us as cars. and the Formula One drivers and tuner cars. That was so awesome. I think is the vehicles. All right, let's go to Las Vegas. And we refound them the city. So is that at Las Vegas. We saved, we found the city, we did it. Well, I hope enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe for Pajabo Jinka Hagan. Make sure subscribe to more upload videos and see you next time. Good night.